show you how I make the easiest boutonnieres. First, I take my foliage and I just look at which way I want it to face, making sure to move the pieces as needed. It's fairly blendable and flexible. I'm going to take some of my filler flowers and I'm just gonna add those in, making sure to use different heights with the foliage and the filler flowers so nothing is like sitting at that same level. Some more like whimsical pops that I want to add in. So I'm gonna keep those a little higher than the rest of the flowers. Again, making sure nothing is really like the same height or it looks a little bit funny. We need dimension and depth, which we get from various heights. Little piece in the front to kind of pop out forward. And then we have some mums. Mums are a really good choice because they can be out of water, where something like a rose, if it's a really hot day, can actually fade really quickly and they don't look so good. Now I simply put some waterproof tape around the stems to hold them secure, and I'm gonna show you how I wrap with my ribbon. I take my ribbon, just like I do with my bouquets, over the top of the tape. I wrap it around so it crosses over the back. And then with the boutonnieres, I simply put them into a sweet little knot. Then they get pinned in the back and it's ready to go.